Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I'm gonna show you guys my first dollar store Halloween haul. I'm gonna start organizing my Halloween, but before we start the video and I show what everything that I got, please don't forget to subscribe and to like this video because that will help me a lot. And all my social medias up there if you're looking for. So, dollar store. Halloween, everything that I need, right? So let's start. I got a bunch of skulls, but don't worry, we're not gonna leave like this, and I'm gonna show you everything. We got some chains. For $1 is the easiest thing, doesn't make you work because you can make chains, but you're gonna need to cut them, and then you're gonna need to paint them, and then make them look like old, and that's a lot of work. So for $1, that's what we need. This is the best thing for Halloween's, the creepy cloth. You can find that Spirit Halloween like for $10, a little bit bigger than that. So this is a really good price. I got all these little skeletons. Last year I made the trophies for my Halloween party with them, but this year I want to make it bigger, and I will show you guys. So now we have Kiki, then wanted to help because she's so excited. So we got a rat, we got purple lights and orange lights, we got cauldrons like for witches and things like that, but I kind of like these lights because they like so cheap and so cool, and we can put them everywhere. I use those cauldrons for snack on the top of the table. What else we got? We got this little chain like holding hands or legs or things like that we can put in our big skeletons. This is a little candle that's like a face of a skull, very cute. It comes already with the light, the tea light inside, and we got more and more skulls because we're gonna put in a cemetery. Sometimes you don't need the whole thing, and it's way cheaper because the whole skeleton probably is around like $25, 30, depends where you buy. So when you get just the head's way better. I got this little ghost because this the fabric. If you're gonna get joints and anywhere else, it will be more than $1, and this is already done. And you see that Ayla is really in love with it. This is kind of chair covers. I just have 4 chairs that I'm not gonna hide on the Halloween party, so I decided just to cover. I wasn't going to make anything or do anything with them, so for $1 we can cover all them and just kind of make a Halloween feeling. I got this eyeballs. This is just for other thing that I'm gonna get, but she showed it, so we showed it too. Another LED light set. You need to put batteries on, but they are really good. The other ones is kind of like Christmas lights, and those are like LED lights, but they are super cool and super bright. So if you want to make any decorations, they're awesome. So this is the skeleton, and I thought that I was going to make mine trophies. That's why I went to the Halloween store, because I wanted to start my trophies like earlier to don't go all crazy and be able to make videos for you guys. And if you want to do it, you can do it, but I decided to make the trophies with this instead. This is kind of like a bubble head, and it's already come in a stick, like it stands by itself, so it's kind of perfect. So I got a couple of those for the trophies, and this is like a wall decoration. They're probably not gonna use it, but they're expensive. You go to Oriental Trading, they're like $19, and this is kind of like $1. So I'm gonna make one side on my wall, then it's gonna be all like the witch house and things like that, so that will be fine. I got some these jelly things for my window and for my door, because I'm gonna need to use it anyway. And look how cool. I was so excited to see this there because they're like $1. Everything is $1. How many times I'm gonna say that? But we have the mouse and the little spider and the curl, and I got the little cat and the fish at Home Depot, and I paid like $15 for a fish. So this is an amazing price. This is like an eyeball. It's kind of a little big. It's like a Christmas ball, and it shines with the light on the bottom, and it even comes with that suck cup if you want to put in a glass or mirror or something like that. So I'm not sure where I'm gonna do it yet. And they sell the hands separately, so you can buy the head and the hands, and you can decorate it without have the whole skeleton. I got this because I'm gonna cross over my stairs so people don't go up the second floor. This I have no idea what I'm gonna use, but looks like a witch gathering, so I'm gonna get it to use. Hope you guys like it. It's my first Halloween haul for this year, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.